Okay, here's a painted area of the wall. I'm going to drive the nail in here. It would be like driving a nail in with the picture hook. And this framing nail is a little overkill, but it just kind of brings home the point that there are ways you can use to get these out of there. And there's the big one. This is the little one that you more than likely going to be using with your picture hooks. And so we're going to pull these off, but what you want to do, you want to pull it off the same way that it's sticking out. So if it's at an angle this way, you want to pull straight up. There's a couple of ways you can do this. You can get you a paint stick from the hardware store, and you put it right there on the nail, and then take your hammer and then pull it out. And see, no mark. Same way with the bottom one here. But before I pull that out, this is way in the wall now. Okay, see, there's got a good finish right there. Take your putty knife or your paint stick, no mess, no fuss.